Hi guys, and in this tutorial today we're going to teach you how to add your program to start up using the inbuilt registry through Delphi. So this is what you're going to end up with. You're going to end up with a basic form which has one button on it, and you can just add to a registry. I'm not going to bother putting the delete registry. If you follow the code you should be able to figure it out. So moving straight into it, I've just started a new VCL project, and all we need is one button, and I'm going to try and keep this as simple as possible. So we're just going to call it add to start up as the caption. I'm going to make it big. I like making things big, and that will do. Right, so what we're going to do is double click on the button. We're going to put two comment lines in there because if you don't it will disappear. We're going to go up to the top and we're going to, in the uses, we're going to declare the class registry. And come back down. And now what we're going to need to do is under this var, so don't delete them two. Under this var here we need to create our temporary registry. So we're going to call it temp reg, and it's going to be a T registry. And we're going to put an end. And now we can start. So we're going to start off with a try, and we're going to leave it as a finally. Because regardless of whether we get it out correctly, we need it to end. So first of all, we can do our temp reg is equal to T registry dot create. So that creates our temporary registry. So what we're going to do is immediately in our final we're going to put the 3 back in. Now what we need to do is we need to tell it where we want to go. So we're going to do temp reg dot root key. I'm going to put an equals, and we're going to go for the current user. So this is the Microsoft homepage, and we're going to go for the current user. So if you put that in there, it will hold it. Next we're going to do temp reg dot open key, and we're going to need the other half of the string it gave us. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put this in quotes, like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this an if statement. Then we're going to begin. Move into the right place. Then we're going to do temp reg dot write I believe it's a string. I might be wrong. And the first one is going to be your name, so my app is going to be ours. And the second one is going to be the registry key value, which we want to be param string 0. For those of you who don't know, param string 0 is the current file of this path, the current binary path. If you're using a DLL, you'll get the current host path. So I'm going to quickly save this. I now have managed to get hold of a drive to save these all to, if I can find it. There you go. And so we'll make ourselves a new folder, call it projects. And in here we won't create a shortcut. Where's that just gone? We will not create a shortcut, we'll create a new folder. And this will be add to start up. We're going to save it all in here. And we're going to save it in there. And that's it pretty much. So now if we play it, what are you complaining about? Not enough parameters. Okay, you want a boolean at the other end, don't you? We'll go with false because I'm pretty sure it's create key if this doesn't exist. Yeah, there you go. And if I hit this button, and then if we go run, no, I don't think we even need to go run. I think you can do it in Task Manager. You come over to Startup. There you go. There is our project. So project 1 is now in our startup list. Now I am going to disable that instantly because I do not need it to run. But it's that simple. Here's our little program. There's our registry key file, our registry key function, and you get your program running. So as usual, if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will catch you next time. Here are 2 videos that you might enjoy, and there's a subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already.